Hey you guys. So I know it's been a while since I have shared a grocery haul with y'all. So I thought I'd do one this week, and I am actually headed to Aldi like normal. So once I get back, I will share the meal plan and everything I picked up. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. So I am back from Aldi. So first let me show you guys the menu I have planned for the week. So I'm going to make a breakfast pizza with some gravy and then top it with some scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon, and cheese. Then we'll do some bean and cheese quesadillas with Mexican rice. And then probably for 4th of July, we'll make some burgers. And then I'll also make a spaghetti bake. And then we'll do an easy burrito enchilada casserole. And then finish out the week with a breakfast bake. And we'll probably have leftovers for some of that, so we'll do some of that for lunch. So the kids wanted me to pick up a few lunch items, so I picked up 2 of the yakisoba noodles, 2 packs of the French bread pizza, a large bag of pizza snacks. I got 8 yogurts. And then eggs are back down to $1.15 a dozen, so I picked up 3 dozen of those. I picked up these baby cakes. They're like sort of flattened tater tots, so we'll have those with the breakfast dishes during the week. And then I got a pack of the beef and bean burritos. This is for the enchilada casserole, which I actually will link that. I actually have a video, so I'll have that linked. And then they had the protein bars marked down to $2.29, so I picked up 2 of those. Got 2 cans of Rotel, and I saw this new, or at least it's new to me, chimichurri salsa. So I picked that up. Not sure what I'm going to use it on, but I'm excited to try that out. And then I got a can of refried beans because I wasn't sure if I actually had any in the pantry. And then the best deal of the day was the organic grass-fed ground beef. They were $3.99 a pack. They did have a limit of 6, so I only picked up 6 of those, but this was a really great deal, so definitely check that out. And then I picked up some fruit and nut trail mix, which they also had marked back down to $2.19 a bag, so I picked one of those up to add to some peanuts and craisins that I already have. And then I was wanting some beef sticks. I just like these for like a snack during the day. Picked up some Munster and some mozzarella cheese for one of my girls. And then I love the spicy Havarti or the jalapeno Havarti, so I picked that up for snacking. And my daughter also loves pimento cheese, and they had that on sale this week too. So I picked one of those up for her for lunches. We got some grapes and strawberries, which the grapes were $1.39 and the strawberries were $1.49 a pack. I only got 2 packs because we actually have some still in the fridge. And then I picked up some bananas, just a couple Roma tomatoes because I still have grape tomatoes. 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce, a bag of Cosmic Crisp apples, and then I like to keep brownie mix on hand because it's something my kids can easily fix for dessert. And I also picked up some pancake mix and some strawberry preserves because we were out of both of those. Then we got 2 containers of apple juice, some heavy cream, and a gallon of milk. Then we got some whole wheat bread, some chocolate chip brioche. This is really great for making French toast, which is what I plan to use it for, but it's delicious just toasted up with some butter or just eaten straight out of the bag. And I haven't had any keto friendly bread in probably 6 to 9 months. So I decided to pick some up just so I can make myself some French toast with the rest of the family. I'll probably end up freezing half of this loaf as I don't eat bread very often. Then I picked up some hamburger buns, some plain bagels for breakfast, and I picked up this flatbread for the breakfast pizzas. and I picked up some of the Egg Life wraps. I think I've mentioned this before that I like to use these for a bunch of different things. I make tacos, tostadas, lasagna, and I most recently like to use it to make pizza, so I'll also make me a breakfast pizza with some of these. So we spent just under $130 for the week, and I didn't think that was bad considering we got 6 pounds of grass-fed ground beef along with quite a bit of fruits and veggies. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead, and hope y'all have a great 4th of July. See you in the next one. Bye!